Hi guys, welcome to this review about the Professor Amos Shock It Clean Extreme. That's a multi-purpose cleaning agent, and the question is it working or is it not working? Usually these things are sold at state fairs or other markets when you don't have a lot of time to test or to choose. To find out if it's working or not. They usually have like a demonstration. They show how it works, and the demonstration is really good. I have seen one of these like selling shows, and it was quite shocking to me. So that's the reason why I'm showing it to you. I haven't bought it. Yeah, that's something. Okay, you can almost you can almost end the video, of course, but probably you want to know why I'm thinking that it's not working. So the thing is, there are a couple of reasons why I think like that. So we have been at the Florida State Fair 1 week ago, and there was a guy showing this product at the pen. As far as I have seen in the reviews here or at other pages, they do it mostly like this. They take a pen, spray something on that, use a torch, and then it looks really nasty. It is like a dark brown thing at the back of the pen, and you can't remove that. I mean, they show it usually with a spray bottle, something like that, and it's really hard. You see, you can really feel it's something which you can't get rid of easily. And they take this spray a little bit on that, wipe it off, and it's clean. Wow, that looks really, really impressive. And a lot of people think, wow, okay, that's something I have to have. And my wife was really close to buy. She almost picked her purse and was really close to buy. And I told her, okay, let's wait, let's try or test this a little bit deeper. So I asked the guy if I can take a paper towel and wipe at the bottom of the pen to try if the thing which is sprayed on is really that hard to remove. And yeah, he was really friendly, and probably he has already sold a lot, so it was the last day, so it didn't bother him. So I took my paper towel and wiped over it, and it did not come off. Okay, I could really feel, when you do the same thing at the fair or so, be careful. The thing is hot because they are using this torch, and you shouldn't touch the bottom of the pen with your finger. So make sure that your paper towel is really thick, and so you don't get burned. But yeah, I did it. It didn't come off, so I was really able to feel that the thing which is at the bottom of the pen was really hard to remove and not a simple thing. And then I was thinking again, okay, so dry didn't work, so maybe let's try it wet. So I had bottled water with me, just simple filtered water in a bottle, and I took the paper towel and made it wet and tried again at the bottom of the hot pan. And with the wet towel, it was absolutely super easy to remove this so-called burned in whatever grease or whatever. It was not grease. I think it was just some kind of sugar. And when you use sugar water and make it hot, it will burn like it's some kind of caramel. will produce some kind of caramel. And when you put water on that, it will melt like nothing. I mean, it's hot and then water, and this will melt like nothing. So it doesn't matter what you use. If you use some kind of cleaning thing or just a little bit of water or whatever, the thing will go away like nothing. And you can really there's one thing these guys also do. They spray at their t-shirts to prove that this thing which they're using is really like not harmful or skin friendly or whatsoever. Of course, there's nothing in there, so it's definitely skin friendly. I mean, there are probably a few drops of citric acid in there, of course. So it probably will remove also a little bit of grease, of course. I mean, it doesn't make sense to sell something like that without any cleaning effect. So, I mean, even the guy told us that there is citric acid in there. So that's really cheap, cost probably a few pennies, and then they sell these things for 50 or 30, 40, $50. That's profit margin. That's astronomous. That's almost incredible. So it's absolutely amazing what kind of profit they make. So I mean, when I removed the dirt or the caramel from the button with my simple towel and a little bit of bottled water, I looked at the guy and he looked at me, and his eyes were really telling me, oops, I'm caught. He was just quiet. There was not a single word. He was telling, he was just quiet. So for me, that was absolutely clear that I got him. So he had nothing to say. So I mean, if you want to buy something, please don't buy this. This is really BS. I mean, if you want to buy, you can probably produce this thing, buy an empty bottle, fill some water, put a few drops of lemon juice or something like that into that, and you will have the same for a few pennies, a few cents, whatever. It simply doesn't really work. I mean, you can clean easy stuff, but definitely not really heavy stains. So I've been already checking a lot of these reviews, and what you find is that most of the reviews, most of the products, they have only one review. So it looks like, okay, that's a little bad one, but usually they have 5-star reviews. So looks like they put all the time new listings here, and they, like, from the company employees or the agents who are at the state fair, probably they are forced to leave 5-star reviews. And so after a lot of people buy and they make bad reviews, like here, probably the ones with the 5 stars are from the employees, the rest is 1 or 2 stars. When they get too many 1 and 2 stars reviews, they delete the listing and make a new listing with 5-star reviews, something like that. I've seen other sellers doing the same thing. So it does that. The average stars that doesn't tell a lot about this product. There's also a site which I found. It is called Does the Product Work? That's really interesting. I've never seen that. So I've seen this for the first time with this product, and 56% of the people say yes. I guess these are the people, they're like employees or resellers at the state fairs and so on, and the rest gave probably a no, and maybe a few people who maybe were cleaning old tiles where it's probably hard, or where it was probably hard to see if they are still dirty or not. They maybe left a good review, but apart from that, I guess not much positive reviews. And the bad reviews, same thing on Amazon as well. The bad reviews are really bad. I mean, people saying buyer beware, and really shocking things. Doesn't really work. Some people say it works exactly the same as just colored water. I think maybe colored water with a few drops of citric acid, something like that. So definitely not a product which I can really recommend. I mean, there are products which are on the market which are really like sophisticated, really good products with chemical ingredients which are able to break up grease easily and other stains, and so, but I mean, yeah, we all know citric acid is working, but it's such a simple product. It has been used for hundreds of years, and it will still work for hundreds of years. But I mean, we have now 2019, and there are definitely other products around, and definitely for this price which they ask, that's absolutely shocking what they ask for this product. So yeah, that was it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and it will be really I'm really interested to learn from you what you think. If you had same experience as the guys here with 1 star, or if you think that it's really working for you. I mean, it will be definitely a really nice and interesting discussion about that. And yeah, if I have been able to help you a little bit, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.